To address the error message stating that there has been unusual activity with a card linked to your account, it's essential to understand the possible reasons behind this notification. You may have triggered automatic checks by using your credit card in a different country or for an unusual amount, which would result in a precautionary message being sent to you. However, if your credit card is being used in multiple places simultaneously, this could indicate a cause for concern for your bank and necessitate action. If you suspect that your credit card has been compromised, it's recommended that you contact your bank's customer service and report the card as lost or stolen. After verifying your identity through security questions, the bank will be able to mark your card as lost or stolen. You can find the customer service contact information on your bank's official website. Once you've blocked the card, it's crucial to remove it from your account to prevent any further issues. To do this, log into your account, navigate to the Payment Methods section, and select the card you want to remove. Click on the Remove Card option. Confirm your decision, and the card will be removed. If you need to add a new card, you can do so by clicking on the Link Card option and filling in the required details. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and secure your account.